In this video, we'll show you how to create a disposable virtual card in Revolut step by step, directly from the app. The first thing we need to do is open the Revolut app and access our account. Once we're inside, we'll tap on the card's icon, which you'll find at the top of the screen. Next, we'll tap Add and look for the option for a disposable virtual card or single-use card, depending on how it appears in your app. Once we've selected it, Revolut will allow us to create the card and we'll be able to view its details directly from the app. This card is mainly designed for one-time online payments, as its details are automatically regenerated after use. This means that after making a payment, the card number changes, helping prevent the previous card details from being reused for another purchase. To view the card details, simply select it from the card section and tap Show Details. Revolut may ask you to complete an additional verification step before displaying them. Also, if you view the card details but don't make a payment, the card number may be regenerated automatically after a certain period of time. And that's it. As you can see, creating a disposable virtual card in Revolut is a fairly simple process and can be useful for making one-time online payments with an additional layer of security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.